Let's take a look at the differentiation question from Holy Innocence. Show that d dx negative ln cos x equals to tangent x. Now, I would like you to think about this question over here because there's a very common mistake that students thought that this one means negative ln x multiplied by cos x. That's the difference between these two questions here. Ln here is a function, okay? It's not a multiplication. So this one here, if you get a question to differentiate this one here, yes, we are going to apply a product rule. This one, no, I'm going to apply a chain rule. Now, how do we do a chain rule here? Let me just write one more step so that you can see this clearer. So this one is also means that we are differentiating negative ln of cos x, okay? So I'm going to write a square bracket outside. So chain rules that I'm going to differentiate one at a time. We're going to focus on the outer function first, which is the logarithm. Okay, so differentiating a logarithm, the answer here will be, the negative I'm going to write at the center, 1 over the function here, which is cos x. I have dealt with the differentiation of a logarithm. Now let me take a look at the inside bracket. We have a function of cos x. So I'm going to multiply by differentiating cos x is going to be negative sin x. Okay, so from here, I'm going to multiply this one to the top at the numerator side. So what we get here is that we have negative sin x over cos x. Negative will become a positive answer. And sin divided by cos is going to lead you to tangent x, which is something that you want to show. Okay, now let me also write down, if you are familiar with differentiating ln for a function in x, this result will lead to the same thing. You write fx here, the top here is going to be f prime x. Okay, here. So let's take a look at the direct differentiating of ln function of x. We have that there, differentiating negative ln cos x. So you're going to follow this result here. We are going to differentiate cos x and put at the numerator. So you will get a negative sin x here. And fx here, we're going to write cos x. And of course, I have a negative in front. I'll put it here. Okay. So same answer here, negative, positive. Sin of cos is lead you to a tangent x. Okay, so this is another way of finding the differentiation of this expression here. So this is a quick shortcut way, or you can see it as a differentiation using chain rule.